Well, let's focus on ITC. As Nimesh was telling us earlier, the block from BAT, that is British Tobacco, is sort of likely to come to the market soon. I mean, I think the offer perhaps opens later today and should get done tomorrow. That seems to be the timeline. Nimesh, tell us more.
Yes, Prashant. So that's the timeline which the market is anticipating, that the block will come potentially today evening and will get executed tomorrow morning. Now, BAT is looking to sell up to 4% stake in ITC Limited. At the current price, the deal works out to close to 20,000 crores. So it's a large block which is going to hit the market. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, the mutual funds combined own close to 10%. Insurance companies own 20%, but out of that, LIC is the largest holder. They continue to hold 15% stake. There is Suti who continues to own 7.8%, and the FIs continue to combine own close to 13%. Now the big question is, will the block deal mean any changes as far as the MSCI weight is concerned? And the feedback seems to be a no. Reason being, BAT is classified as an FDI investor and not classified as promoters. So even if they sell 4% stake, there is an anyway an FPI cap of close to 24% in ITC. So now it's going to change the mood much. And while the block will get executed, looks like there will be a discount as well. What I understand, investors have been sounded off, and the discount could be around 6 to 8%. But after the block, there is no likely to be a big change in the MSCI. But from a deal perspective, the street is anticipating that the book may get launched today evening and will get executed tomorrow.
The question, Nimesh, though, is in terms of just the sense, we won't know, right? We know about this, but they own 29%.
Correct.
I mean, is this it? Is also one other question which people will ponder, right?
So, Prashant, in case of BAT, they have already communicated in their annual report as well and to the investors that they look to sell up to 4% and they want to retain 25%. So, two ways to read this. One, there's a large block, but there could be end of the overhang as well. If they sell the entire 4%, then there could be no further selling from BAT. So, and remember, as you also rightly pointed out in the morning, the stock has corrected sharply from the recent highs of 500 to almost 400 now. So some bit of that is in the price as well. Once the block is executed and if there is a good buying interest from large institutions, you might see a bit of a pullback as well.
Absolutely. I mean, we've seen those, right? When the block gets done and fully subscribed, there is strong demand. I mean, the move has been to the upside in many cases. So we'll see. This is a large one. Nimesh, thanks very much for that.